Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create an item for the Whitehill manual or self-checkouts. Um, I'm doing this tutorial because I'm bored and I'm building a game. So yeah, so here I have a banana and an apple. I'm going to demonstrate to you that it works. So here we can interact and we get an apple. Yeah, I'm holding the apple. We can interact and we can see I'm getting a banana. So now, can I use these to yeah, can I use these on the machine? You can, yeah. Look, yeah, my apple, my banana. I will pay for them. I don't need no bags, and there we go. Oh, yeah, contactless, and I will pay. I will pay. There we go. The other ones are starting, and there. We gotta wait for it. Yep, there you go. I received and my banana and my apple. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make this with the proximity prompts and everything, step by step. So first, we'll start by choosing a part to use for the tool. So I want to use an orange, for example. I will use an orange. Uh, yeah, you can choose whatever orange. You can make it yourself. Does no matter. I'm just gonna take it from here. So here I have the orange. So this orange, we want to make it a tool. So first, of course, we have one to interact with to take another orange. So I'm gonna duplicate so I can have two oranges. And I'm gonna go all the way up into workspace and I'm gonna click on the plus and make a new tool, as we could see. So now I'm gonna go down and find where my 2 is. It's right, not here. Right, it's right, it's right here. So I can rename my tool to orange, for example, and I'm going to put that second mesh into the tool, and then yeah, where's the tool? Where is there it is. So now I'm gonna put this in here. So now a very important part in here, which we want this to work if you can pick it up, if you want to pick it up, you have to add a handle to this. You can make the orange the handle itself, but that doesn't look pretty good. So it's better to make a handle since it's easy and it's no problem. So first I will put a part in here. Remember, this should be an anchored and this also should be an anchored, just so you know. So this you can anchor, like the ones we're gonna interact with, but the actual two we should not anchor. So yeah, we're gonna spawn a part. I will make it transparent by going to properties and typing 1, and then I will make the handle. So if I put the handle on this side like that, I'm going to hold the orange from this side. If I put it on the other side, I'm going to hold the orange from this side. So I want to hold it from here. So now I want to drag this part into the tool, into the orange tool, which I think I skipped. No, I didn't. There it is. I want to put it in the orange tool. Now, normally, if this is not a mesh and it's not a 3D part, it's just a normal part, you would union them using model and then clicking on union when selected both. But since this is a mesh, we cannot union it. So what we need to do is select the handle, which by the way is very important to name not part but handle. We want to name it handle. You should name it handle, since if you don't it's probably not going to work. Just like that. So now I'll click on the handle, go to model, press on create down here, and I'm going to select weld. So now as you can see, this starts flying. If we, yeah, we just need to get it and click on the orange. So now they're welded. That is great. and basically your tool is ready. But what we need to add for it, for it to be able to be scanned, is going to be the this one, the JSM item data thing, which comes with your tools pack. You would normally find it in your Calgon here, that comes with the self checkouts. If you downloaded it from Axon, wherever you download it, it's gonna come with this. And in here, we're gonna have the JSM item data, which I'll now duplicate, and I will drag it into my orange. If I find it, of course, there it is. I'll drag it into my orange, and then in the properties, we can make the cost of it. We can say if it's age restricted, and orange is not age restricted. We're gonna make it 85 cents, which is a little overpriced, but why not? We're going to ESA active. This is if you don't pay it, is going to trigger your anti-theft system if you have one. I would normally put this on, and then the item image is the image that will show up in the monitor of the self checkouts. I will remove this because it's gonna show up as Calgon, but you can put an image of an orange there if you like. And the loyalty cost, which is the cost if you have a loyalty card scanned, which normally lower costs. So I will make it 72 cents. For you, that's 72 bucks. 72 cents. And there we go, we have customized our orange. Now before we continue, we want to actually put it in replicated storage so we can clone it, and basically so we can clone it. We're gonna put it in replicated storage, and now as you can see, it disappears. It's in replicated storage. So to have a proximity prompt on this orange, so we can take the tool, we want to go to the orange, click on the plus, add a proximity prompt, and then on the same plus, we're gonna add a script. So in the script, I will just paste. No, okay, no, we're not gonna paste that. I will just paste this script, which should be in the description of this video, just like that. And the script is already done, but the only thing you need to change is the here line 6, this thing here is the name of your actual tool that you want to pick up when you interact with the proximity prompt. So I want to go here into replicated storage, find MyTool, which is the orange, copy the name or just remember it, and I can delete banana and put orange here. And that basically should be it. Now you can also go as far to customize the proximity prompt, for example, which I'll show you now. There, proximity prompt. So in the properties, we can make it the gamepad, uh, the gamepad button if you're in a controller, the action test, which I'll just name orange, which this except instead of interact, it would say orange or whatever you type there. It does not matter. You can type whatever. And also hold duration. We can make it so we can hold it. You need to hold it for a second to actually pick it up. I won't do that. And you can customize other stuff here, like whatever you like. And that is basically it. It's ready, and I will demonstrate to you now that it works. So I will just come here, click on my orange. There's my orange. I can hold it. Pretty cool, right? I can hold my orange. I'm gonna go up to the machine, the self checkout. I'm gonna demonstrate to you that it's scannable. It shows up as orange. Here we go. Whoop. Orange, 85 cents. I don't have a loyalty card to demonstrate the price is lower, but it works, believe me, please. Finish and pay, no bags, contactless. And the other ones are starting, yeah. And we pay. Approved. And there we go. My receipt and my orange. We're gonna trigger the EAS system now. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.